Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is a 2006 Pontiac G6. The problem I have is I broke the turn signal lever. Okay, so what I did, I ordered the piece online. This piece here is similar, it's the same. It costs $28 online. It costs $50 in the store. That's already $20 saving. So what I do, I'm gonna use a 7mm for the screws. There are 3 screws underneath. It's right here. So I'm gonna use this to open this cover. Then I'm gonna try it. By the way, this is the first time I'm doing this, so I don't know if it's gonna work. Hopefully it works. I'm gonna put this one on my head. Okay, and let's start taking the screws. Let me turn this one. Okay. This is one. And this is 2. Oh, there is, okay. The 3rd screw is missing. That's fine. So I'm gonna open this one. You just pop it down. So I saw this on YouTube. Hopefully it works. Alright, so this one up. This one you gotta put down like this. And alright, so it's down. Alright, good. Now, so for that stuff I'm gonna use, let me see, maybe this. Yep. So put my glasses on. So I hope you can see. Okay, so there are like this piece here. All right, that's one, and this is 2. Okay, what's happening here? Alright, it's right here. Good. This one is annoying. This top piece is annoying. I don't want to take it off. Okay, now I need to take these 2 pieces from here. Okay, so this is, you just pull this one up. And, alright, pull this one down. Alright, one down and one more to go. This one I think is, let me see. Yep, push down, and both of them, you can just use your finger, I think. Yep, that's right. So this is the piece, this is the broken piece, and now I'm gonna use this one here. So before you put it there, let's see if it's the same. Yeah, it looks the same. That's good. Alright, so let's put this one back. We put this one here first. Yep, that's one. And this is okay. So before you close the cover, let's check if it's working. Just put it there and signal. Good. All right. Other side is good. High beam is good. All right, so it's working. So this is garbage. I just saved myself $150, and then we just put everything together. Where is that piece? This one here goes, I think, right there. Here. Okay. Okay, this one. And wow, this little, this is, yeah. So it's easy to take off. It's hard to put in. All right, I got it. Now next side, the other side. Really? Okay, just okay. All right, so it's gonna put there. Just something is going on. Yeah, just take your time. Okay, that's all right. That's all right, that's good. Okay, now I'm just gonna put the screws back and we're good to go. Yep, signal on. Signal is good. All right, thank you for watching and see you next time.